A $100 investment in Ripple coin in July 2014 would have yielded over $11,000 today. That is a significant return on your financial investment. CoinMarketCap currently ranks number 8 with a live market cap of $32,087,892,797. In this video, we forecasted the Ripple price for the years 2022 to 2030. Which years will you be able to hold on to with your investment? According to our survey, many cryptocurrency investors are looking forward to 2025 as the year when they will be able to cash out 80% of their cryptocurrency profits. Here are Ripple price forecasts for the next few years. Price prediction for XRP in 2022. Some of the world's largest investment firms have backed Ripple price prediction. And the number of cryptocurrency-related partnerships and events show that many people believe in the currency. According to recent XRP price predictions and price action, it could reach $1.40 by the end of the year. Price prediction for Ripple in 2023. According to our XRP forecast and price chart for long-term realistic XRP price prediction, Ripple's price may rise in 2023 as a result of numerous advancements and partnerships in their plan. By the end of 2023, Ripple XRP could be worth $2.95. Price prediction for Ripple in 2024. According to our short and long-term technical analysis and Ripple price prediction, the XRP cryptocurrency price could be around $5.30 in 2024 because it was designed to replace most fiat currencies. If XRP is adopted, the coin could experience a bull run, with the XRP price skyrocketing in the long run. Price prediction for Ripple in 2025. According to the Ripple price prediction support level for the long term, the XRP price has been selected as a bright game for optimism, registering clear gains in the trading range of $8 to $11. The next 5 years. The most practical strategy, however, is to forecast a price level in the middle of these ranges. Mass adoption could pave the way for XRP price prediction in the future as an affordable and convenient digital asset. Price prediction for Ripple in 2030. According to our forecast, Ripple's XRP price may reach $45.10 with a 10-year investment. And revenue is expected to increase in value and reach between $45 and $60. The buying opportunity will improve as a result of this. Ripple was recently embroiled in SEC controversy. However, after gaining access to the SEC's internal documents, Ripple experienced a massive price increase and even crossed the $1 mark. Please like, share, and subscribe, as well as leave your prediction in the comments section.